Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today on this special day. We have a speed test, yes, because it's the first Friday of the month. It's actually September the 2nd. Yes, Friday, September the 2nd, 2022. Every first Friday of the month, we have a speed test. Speed test with the Sudoku Light and with the Sudoku Heavy. And by the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 5 of them I will solve. But first, we will solve this Sudoku Light number 5110. 5110. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 9 big squares. 9 times 4 is actually 36 printed digits. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku, in additional, this should be easier than the 1 star. 1 star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's a speed test, so let's get started. Let me see. One. Already 1 minute past. Yes, 1 we have here. 1 we have here. 1 we have there. And 1 we have here. 2. 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. How about the 3? 3, 3, 3, 3. Come on. 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 3, 3, and now I can continue with the 3, 3, 3, 3. Come on. 4. How about the 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and the 5. 8, 5. Come on. 6, 6, 6, 6. 9, 2. No. 7 and the 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and 6. 3 and 6. Okay. 7, 7, 7, wait, 7, 7, 6 in there, 5, 5 here, 6 there, 5, 5, 5 here should be the 8, 1 box left for the 6, 8 and the 9. Oh, double 6. Wow, made a mistake. Here can be 6. This should be an 8. 8 and a 5. Yeah. 8, 8. Wow. 1, 2, 5 should be here. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 9 and a 6. 9, 6, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6, and here 8 and 9. Finished. 4 minutes. Wow. With a small error here. Almost made a mistake. But we saw it again. 4 minutes. And minus 1 minute. Well, for the opening. But we solve it again. Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Well, I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, really do. Speed test, September. So see you in a minute with the second one, the heavy one. Yes. Until then, see you later. Bye bye for now.